柔らかくて美味しい。
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and super easy Japanese pan-fried mochi, or yakimochi in Japanese, which, fun fact, also means jealous. What's more, it only requires 4 simple ingredients that you can get in rural Canada. These are glutinous rice flour, cream cheese, ube, and hot water. This recipe will yield 6 perfect pan-fried mochi, so let's get started. Add 120 grams of rice flour and 140 grams of hot water in a container. Mix it with a fork or a pair of chopsticks until it forms a dough. Let it cool for a few minutes before you knead it with your hands, and in the meanwhile we can prepare the fillings. Yakimochi are usually filled with anko, which is sweet atsuki bean paste, but they're very expensive in my city, so I used Filipino ube and cream cheese instead as fillings. I really love the sweet and savory flavor of this combo, so please give it a go. The full recipe is in the description box below. While we are waiting for the dough to cool, we can cut 6 pieces of cream cheese for the fillings. You can add as much as you like. For me, I added about a teaspoon of ube and a teaspoon of cream cheese for each mochi, but you can definitely adjust the amount. Next, divide your dough into 6 equal pieces. I weighed my dough and divided it by 6, which makes it about 38 grams of dough per mochi. Now, roll each piece of the dough into a ball and flatten it into a small disc. Add the ube and cream cheese, then carefully close the dough around the fillings. Make sure that the fillings are not touching the edges of the dough, or it will be very hard to seal. After that, use your palm to flatten the mochi into a disc about a centimeter thick. Carefully place your mochi in the pan, giving them space to puff up. Cook for about 2 minutes on each side with the lid on, then add a little bit of water to steam the mochi. I steamed each side of the mochi for about 4 minutes. Make sure to keep an eye on the water level and add a bit of water as it evaporates. Look at that beautiful color. Once they're done, transfer them to a plate and let them cool for at least 5 minutes. It's piping hot inside, so don't be tempted to eat right away or you'll end up having a burnt mouth. And there you have it, beautifully golden pan-fried mochi. You can enjoy these on their own or drizzle them with a bit of honey or sprinkled with a bit of powdered sugar for extra sweetness. I let mine sit on the counter covered for about 5 hours, and look at this. They're still so soft, so chewy, and so stretchy. The chewy texture combined with the creamy ube flavor is just amazing. Thank you so much for watching, and happy cooking!